In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install PayPal app from your Google Play Store. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you are encountering this problem, there are quite a number of ways you can use to fix this problem. In the first method, you need to go ahead and open your Google Play Store and make sure you are logged in with your Gmail account. So once you're logged in, now you should see a search option here. Search for your PayPal app to see if you are able to install it. However, if you had tried this and failed, then head to the second method, and that is to go to your app and failed. Then go to the second method, and that is to just tap on your profile icon here for your email and scroll down to settings. Under settings, choose network preferences, and under network preferences, tap on it, and you can see we have quite a number of options. Make sure you choose the first option over any network. This will allow you to install this app over the network that you are connected on. So once you are done, tap on OK, and now try to install your PayPal app. However, if this still doesn't work, then you need to go ahead and head to the third method, and that is to access the app info page for Play Store. So to do this, just long press on Play Store app and look for app info. If you can't see app info, then you should be able to see either settings gear or the app name. Go ahead and tap on it, and this will take you to Google Play Store app information page. From here, if I tap on storage here, you can see a breakdown of data by this app. Of importance is this cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that Google Play Store normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. However, when these files accumulate, they might cause functionality of Play Store to malfunction. So to fix this, go ahead and tap on clear data, and then choose the second option, clear cache, and then OK. From here, restart your smartphone, and now head back to Play Store, search for your app. So I'll search for PayPal like this, and then tap on it and go ahead and tap on install. Now, as you can see, after performing this, now I'm able to download PayPal app on my Android smartphone. So by using any of these four methods, you should be able now to install PayPal on your smartphone from Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.